Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get this LED keyboard on your Huawei Y6 2019, but at the first I'm going to delete this application and I'm going to show you step by step all the process how to get it. So we have to move for the Play Store, tap on the search pool and we have to type LED keyboard. We have to get this application from the Basic Studio, LED keyboard, Lightning. So let's click install and now just wait until it finishes download. Click open, tap enable, click on the switcher, click OK 2 times, go back and click select. Right now switch to our LED keyboard and here you got all of the themes that you can set up, and I think that I'm going for the unlimited. For me it's one of the best here, and that's how it looks. Just tap on the save and right now keyboard theme has changed. And here we got the LED keyboard. So thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.